Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I'm painting up Wilhelm von Struttendorf, noble Brat of Dunkeldorf, and I'm going to use mainly contrast paints. I apologize for the background sound. One of my neighbors is doing something in his garden, and I don't really have the time to wait for him to stop, as I want this video to go up at the regular scheduled time. And yeah, I should probably have filmed it over the weekend, but I had other stuff going on. Anyhow, let's get started on this guy. First of all, I want to paint his skin, and for that I'm using Wilhelm flesh. Next up, his shirt and his puffy trousers with oak flesh. After looking at the picture on the King Games website, I decided to paint the feather on his hat with oak flesh too. Next up, I'll paint his vest with Flesh Terrace red. While that is drying, I'll take some Dark Angel's green. This is for the bottles on his base. Now, I'll take some Black Templar, and this is pretty much for all the remaining details. Now is a good time to paint the cobblestone on his base, and for that I'm using Mechanical Standard Grey. Next up, some Glorious Gold, and this is for all the metallic parts. Next up, some Menoth white highlight, and this is to done in his eyes. And this is really hard to do with the camera between me and the model, but I'll do my best. Now, some model color black to dot in the irises. Once again, I'll probably need to do some cleanup afterwards, because yeah, camera. Now, I want to wash the cobblestones on the base with Nuln Oil. Now, I'm taking some Blood Angels red and painting in the gems. And while I have it out, I'll also paint in the contents of his goblet. Next up, I'm gonna wash the gold with Reichland Flesh Shade. Finally, I'm gonna dry brush the cobblestones with 7 nuts of stone, and then I'm gonna paint the base trim with model color black from Wilhelm. And there we have him, all done in next to no time. Actually, what took the longest was waiting for the Nuln oil to dry on the base. Yeah, I'm happy with him, especially considered how little time it took. I'm really enjoying contrast paints these days. He's not as good looking as the one Nana did over at Cabana Minis, but well, he's good enough for me and for as an NPC in my dungeon crawling campaign. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Please remember to like and comment, because these Dunkeldorf videos are not doing as well as I want them to. So with a few extra likes and a few extra comments, they might get a few extra views. It would help me out a lot. Anyway, not much else to say. Then till next time, take care and bye bye.